global firestorms and darkness. When the moon collides with Earth, it won't just shake the planet, it'll fundamentally alter how our world spins. The impact's immense force would change Earth's rotation speed, possibly making days longer or shorter in ways we just can't predict. Imagine waking up to a day that lasts 30 hours or maybe just a few minutes shorter than usual. Our entire sense of time would be thrown off. The collision could even tilt Earth's axis, which is what gives us our seasons. Even a slight change in this tilt could lead to extreme climate shifts, with some regions facing brutal, never-ending winters, while others deal with scorching, relentless summers. This disruption to Earth's natural rhythms would affect everything: weather patterns, animal migration, and plant growth cycles. Over time, these changes could make huge parts of the planet hostile to life as we know it. The delicate balance that's allowed civilizations to thrive for thousands of years would be shattered, forcing humanity to adapt to a drastically different environment. It's a stark reminder that the moon isn't just a pretty object in the night sky, it actually plays a vital role in keeping our planet stable and life-supporting. Without it, Earth's future would be uncertain and filled with challenges we can barely imagine.